How to add and amend documents. Navigating to Settings from the home page, click on Documents. To add and amend documents, you must have administrator privileges and enter admin mode by clicking on your name on the top right of the screen. On the Documents page, we can view all documents in our list. A padlock shows that a particular document is a template and so can always be added back into the list if ever deleted. Clicking New allows us to add in template documents that are not already on our list, for example, a missing items report. We can also double-click to view and edit any of our documents. In this initial view, fields pulling from the system are highlighted in yellow, and we can select these to view all available fields and replace them where required. We can amend the document further, including formatting in text, and press Save to create a new non-padlock document. Select any document and choose Rename from the menu to amend the document's name. To amend documents even more powerfully, click on Source on the top left of the document editor to amend the source code using CSS, JavaScript and HTML5. From the Help button, you will find a link with some more detailed information on the document coding and field sets available. Clicking on an email or print button, always accessible from the menu anywhere in the system, we can view all documents available in that print location. Choosing the output format as PDF or simply a web document, we can now open our newly customized document to print or save.